Normally, when you stake your SOL directly to a validator to earn rewards and support Solana's decentralization, it gets locked, and even when you decide to unstake it for other activities like trading, DeFi, or anything else, it takes 3 to 5 days to unstake, called the cooldown period. This regular staking method has shown that it is inflexible, capital inefficient, and unfriendly to fast DeFi opportunities because your SOL is locked and you can't respond quickly to market opportunities. Now, here's where Solana liquid staking changes the game. Instead of locking your SOL away to a regular validator, you stake it through a liquid staking protocol, and in return you get a token called a liquid staking token, or LST for short. These LSTs are tokens that represent your staked SOL and automatically increase in value as your staking reward increases. But here's the best part, you can use them immediately without unstaking your staked SOL because they are liquid and they are like any other token. So while your SOL is staked and earning APY rewards, the LST you get for staking your SOL is what's similar to your staked SOL, and you can trade them, lend them out, use them as collateral to borrow, provide liquidity on DEXs, stake them in yield vaults, and even earn points and airdrops from DeFi protocols. As you can see, LSTs are a game changer because they are letting you earn staking rewards while still using your SOL in DeFi. Now that you understand the fundamentals of liquid staking and its benefits, let me show you how to get started and also inform you on other opportunities. The first step is to look for a liquid staking protocol that is secure, decentralized, easy to use, and offers rewards beyond just taking yield. My top pick is BlazeStake, and it stands out because it gives you bSOL, a liquid staking token that earns rewards and grows in value over time. BlazeStake also automatically spread your stake across 200 plus validators, balancing between top performance and smaller validators to help decentralize the Solana network. And if you don't want the auto delegation, BlazeStake lets you choose where your stake goes. With the custom liquid staking, you can support your favorite validator or community node and still get the bSOL for DeFi and extra rewards. Also, your stake is not locked, so you can unstake anytime. Staking with BlazeStake also gives you access to airdrop opportunities from new Solana ecosystem projects, among other benefits. So as you can see, BlazeStake isn't just about staking, it's about unlocking the full potential of your SOL while helping grow and secure the Solana ecosystem. One of the main reasons why I love liquid staking is because it helps smaller validators survive and thrive. By spreading stake more fairly, liquid stake protocols prevent big validators from dominating, which keeps Solana decentralized and more secure. LSTs are also supercharging DeFi because they bring in staked capital that's still liquid, thereby boosting TVL, increasing DEX volume, and powering lending markets. Basically, it gives DeFi a ton of new liquidity without needing fresh SOL. As you can see, liquid staking is booming, and with over 10% of all staked SOL in LSTs like bSOL, DeFi protocols are also integrating them more and more, making them essential for any yield maximizing strategy on Solana. So to get started with liquid staking so that you can enjoy staking benefits while still exploring DeFi with your liquidity through LSTs, visit stake.solblaze.org, click stake now, connect your wallet, enter the amount of SOL you want to stake, and then click stake. Once you confirm the transaction, your SOL is staked and earning APY rewards, and you will get bSOL. Now, to show you how you can still use bSOL to perform your regular DeFi activities, let's use it for an activity. Solblaze has a DeFi tab to make this very easy. So now let's use our bSOL to add liquidity on Raydium. Once our wallet is connected to Raydium, we search for the bSOL pool and select our preferred pool. In my case, bSOL USDC pool, and then you click deposit. Now enter the amount of bSOL and USDC and then create position and confirm the transaction. As you can see, I am now earning double rewards, one from my initially staked SOL and another from my bSOL LST used to provide liquidity on Raydium. This is the power of liquid staking on Solana. So get started today, and don't forget to follow Solblaze on X to stay updated.